Hi my friends, today I'm going to do a short tutorial how to go to Foss and what is available to you and how to find some of your assignments. Now, very first step is to go into Clever, and this page should look familiar, but instead of hitting Benchmark Advanced, we're going to hit Foss. Excuse me. And then you got to wait a minute, and it says here I am, I'm signed in as Joseph. If your books don't show up, all you have to do is go up here to where it says My Student Page. You click that, and now you have your books. The book that we are currently in is our Soils, Rocks, and Landforms. So I'm going to have you click there. And once you're in here, there's a few things that I want to point out to you. You have some labs, so if your assignment says to do a geology lab, these are where you find them. Some of my directions or assignments will be tutorials, and so if it says go to a tutorial, you go to this page or this little tab, you click down. Let me scroll down so you can see. And then whatever tutorial I say to watch, that's what I would like you to watch. There are also some times that I'm going to be asking you to do a virtual investigation, and here's where you find those. Some of your assignments will also require you to watch a movie. So we have both English and Spanish. So you'd hit your streaming, and I will tell you the name of the video that I'd want you to watch for your assignment, and then you would just click on that video and it would play it for you. Now for the book, when I have an assignment to read the book, you have two options. So you can go right here. The interactive book will read it to you. So you see the little thing up here. It will read it to you. But what's hard about this one is there's really not a table of contents. If you come down here, you can get a thumbnail view and kind of scroll along here. Whoops. Miss Corbin is not very good at this either. There it goes. So it can just keep moving. I guess if you keep moving that, I don't know. We're going to have to play with that, boys and girls. That's one thing that I'm not sure about this view, because it's harder to find pages. But our first one is going to be the erosion and depositions. And really, if you can't find the page, you can just sit here and click until you find the name of what you want to read. The other one, and I'm going to just X that one out, the other one is easier to navigate, but it doesn't read it to you. So that's because if I click right here, down here, I'm like, oh, I know that we are in landforms now. So we're going to go to landforms, and it takes me right to that page. But it doesn't read it to us. So those are the two ways that you can choose to either read it by yourself or listen to what have it read to you. If you want it read to you, you need to go to the ebook. If you want to read it on your own, you're going to go to just the PDF book, this PDF-based ebook. Now, with some of them, the tutorials will teach you something, but sometimes the labs will let you do experiments because we're not together and we can't get all of our rocks and our sand. And so this is a way that we can still investigate a little bit with it. The other tabs on here, if you want to explore, you can explore. I'm not going to assign all of them. There was just some that I thought would be really fun for you to watch and learn. Remember, and if you're here and you don't know how to get back, you just go click back to your student page. As we learn how to use our science a little bit more, I might make a few more tutorials for you. Please feel free to refer back to this at any point.